wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, today we are going to learn about animals and vehicles. Noah and Olivia have a special lesson plan for us, so let's check in with them.
This is our Dream Again classroom.
Yeah, it's our school classroom, isn't it?
Yeah. We went back to school today, guys, and it was so fun.
Yeah, I realized how much I miss school and all my friends at school.
Yeah, and I even made a new friend today.
You did?
Yeah, a girl named Desiree. She was super nice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I can't wait to meet her.
Yeah, she's very fun. You'll like her.
Yeah,
She likes blue. Blue is her favorite color.
Really?
Yep. Yeah.
And I met Benjamin for the first time, and he seems to be pretty nice.
Oh, that's great. I don't know him either.
I think we're both good at playing basketball.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Yeah. But what are we going to teach the kids today? Because we're still going to make sure that they know everything for school, right?
Yeah, so they're very ready. I think we should teach them animals and shapes.
Yeah, and different cars, right?
Yeah, mostly, I guess animals and vehicles.
And vehicles.
Yeah, cars and stuff.
Yep.
Okay.
What do I have here?
Ooh, that looks like a whale.
Yeah, correct.
Ooh,
you
very
see,
nice.
kids? Wait. Kids, can you see that? That's a whale.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, they got it. Okay, and I'm going to get... Oops. Two of mine stuck together. Okay. I have a...
Oh, that's...
Can you see that?
Oh, that... I don't...
You don't know?
Oh, I know!
Here, wait. I'll hold it better.
I know.
Like that. Is that better?
That's a rocket!
Yeah, rocket! Blast off! Woo!
Well,
Good job.
since you have something flying, this is what I have that flies.
Ooh.
See?
Can
you see?
Yeah, I don't...
Kids, can you
I don't know
tell?
what that
Can you
one
help
is.
Olivia? It starts with A. Air.
Oh, an airplane.
Yeah, exactly.
Airplane. Got it.
Did you fly an airplane in the summer?
Yeah.
Maybe the kids went on vacation.
Yeah,
with
maybe
an
you
airplane.
went to, I don't know, to Florida
or Alaska
or
Hawaii
or Montana.
or Montana.
Yeah.
Wherever you went, maybe you drove there or you took an airplane.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys had a cool vacation, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see what else I have here. Let's see. I have...
Is that a crab?
Nope. Can I give you a hint?
Yeah, give me a hint.
Roar.
It's a lion or tiger.
Tiger.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
tiger.
it's a tiger. Yeah, see? It looks really good. It doesn't have the stripes. Tigers normally have stripes, but...
Yeah, that's
these
why
ones
I
are
was
just...
a little bit confused.
Yeah, these ones are just cutouts.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I have...
What do you have? Oh.
Dun 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 dun. Ooh.
Oh! Is it a police car?
It is a yellow police car.
Yeah, yellow police car.
Yep.
Ooh, I have... Let's see.
You like that?
I do like that. Oh, and I like the sound. We should all practice the sound. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, and if you need help, what is the number you call?
911.
Yep, that's it. 911. Yay, good job. Okay, let me see.
What's your next one?
I wanted to make sure I held up the one you said.
Yeah, that's a crab.
That is a crab.
Ooh.
And what do? They go pinch.
I thought what I'm going to do is mump.
Yeah, but not when they still have their pinchers.
Yeah, not when they have their pinchers.
No.
So do you want to see my next one?
Yeah, what's your next one?
Mine is another.
Oh, but that one's for fire.
Yeah, it's a fire truck.
Fire truck! Yay, fireman, come help us! And?
Do we use the same number?
Yep, 911.
Exactly.
Yep. Whenever you need help, that's the best number.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to do
I don't. That's a fish.
Yeah. This one's a fish. And I'm going to say that it's a clownfish like Finding Nemo. Bloop, 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 bloop. And it sings under the water.
Well, you know what?
Under
Your
the
fish
sea.
is going to be eaten by my shark.
Swim away, fishy, swim away. Nope, my fish got safe.
I have a shark.
Wow.
You like that?
Yeah, you do. You have a great shark, and it's green. You have instead of a great white, you have a great green.
Great green shark.
That's funny. Yeah, it's very cool. Let's see. And then I
only have one more left.
have two. Do you want one of mine?
No, it's okay.
Okay. I have. What's that? Yep, monkey.
That's a monkey.
Yay, monkey!
Good job.
Yeah, I like making monkey sounds. Monkey sounds are so much fun.
Yeah, that's funny. Well, since you're in the jungle, I have an elephant.
Ooh, an elephant! Wow! And then their trunks go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And they really like to eat peanuts.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, peanuts are like candy for elephants. Mhm.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, but don't give them any candy or any peanuts or any candy at all if you're at the zoo.
Yeah, exactly.
No. And I have
Oh, wow.
butterfly.
That's really nice.
And it goes flutter, flutter, flutter,
Watch
flutter,
it fly away.
Oh. Wow.
Wow.
That's neat.
Your butterfly came alive.
Yeah, that was really, really cool.
Yeah.
Whoa. I hope they all come alive. I hope
Yeah.
there's like butterflies and lions and tigers and
Elephants,
bears. Oh my.
Sharks, everything,
Yeah.
right?
And fishes.
Yeah.
Ooh, so much stuff.
Wow, kids! We certainly learned a lot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes move on back, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all through the town. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!